Turn signals didn't work on my 1987 Jeep Comanche, so I tore into it, and this wiper arm's real loose. It hooks into here with a little spring clip, and it would turn up real good and blink, but down was loose. Ends up, I don't know if this is broken, but it's too far into the steering column. I have to mess with the ignition. I decided to purchase a new, just a plain Jeep turn signal arm. It's going to attach right there, and I'm going to cut this plastic housing just right here. And I'm going to leave this until I have to replace it. It works. And then while I was taking the old cam out, the horn has a little 1/4 inch bar parts, and when I pulled the electrical connection off, they broke. So I'm not going to try to order these. I already bought this piece. I'm going to just put a push button horn on someplace else. I've done it before. Here's the little piece. This little piece here hooks into the wiper arm. It's got a little notch for this ball. And then it went right there. It was tight, but like I said, this mechanism just wouldn't allow it to jump out and quit working after about 4 times. I went ahead and made my own steering wheel puller off a piece of metal I had, and a couple bolts worked good. It's hard to get the C-clip off of the steering wheel. That would be the horn button, but it's not going to be hooked up. That slides around and makes contact on a plate behind there, but without this arm going down in there and making contact to the other horn parts, it's just not going to work. I'll finish the video later. Thank you. I got the new turn signal lever on. It's an actual Jeep. The chrome was thick. I filed it down on the sides and on where the screw went in. It's working. Makes good contact both ways. Here's the slot. I just hacksawed in there. Doesn't look that bad. For all you purists out there, I just can't afford to tear in to replace all this. It works, but it might just be a screw loose, but I'm not tearing into it. It's loose and hangs down anyway. It's just going to sit there, or I can block it. As long as it hangs down, it doesn't interfere with the other one. I'm okay with it. It's got 2 shift levers. Now it's got 2 levers on the side of the steering column. Thanks for watching. 1987 Jeep Comanche. One problem I have is this, sorry about the light, battery connection is like crumbled off. I put a washer on it and I was able to get it tightened up, but I went ahead and ordered some cable repair. It's like for audio systems maybe, but they have set screws. I can add other wires if I want. I don't know if it's real gold or brass plating. It's a real tight fit on the positive. Fits good on the negative. I think